along now, less than 45 minutes before the parade gets underway, and people lined up as you would expect there in the Gatlinburg area from our Sky Park camera. Stay dry there this evening, a few sprinkles, that's about it. And there's still a little bit of storm fuel left across the northeastern part of our viewing area into southwest Virginia. The rest almost used completely up, meaning, yeah, we could still have a few rumbles of thunder like we're seeing now in Union County over Norris Lake, drifting northward, but the odds of that becoming severe low. Still could be some gusty winds, maybe 30 to 40 miles per hour, though. Don't take it lightly, and be careful with the lightning. 125 strikes between this one and the one in southeast Kentucky just over the past 15 minutes. Put this in motion. We had the warnings again. We had the damage reported portions of Morgan, Anderson County, Roane County with some trees down across the area. That's weakened as it's moved north. Again, no active warnings now. Should be a little bit quieter after midnight tonight, but still power outages. 100 in Knox, 1,000 in Campbell, over 4,500 for Morgan and Roane, and 3,000 without power in Fentress County. We're still at 80 muggy degrees in Dandridge, 79 in Gatlinburg. A little better, Wartburg 69, Oneida rain cooled 66, but where we didn't see a whole lot of rain, it's still very, very tropical. Morristown up through the Sneedville area. Lows only going to drop in the low 70s for most areas overnight, and could be some patchy fog where we saw the downpours in spots today. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, we jump back into the mid 90s for most tomorrow with a couple of upper 90s thrown in for good measure. And heat index values pushing triple digits, 105 plus in spots. That's why we have the heat advisory continuing into the 4th of July. It'll be a quiet start first thing tomorrow morning through about midday. No problems for outdoor plans, but the later in the day we go, just like today, chance of a spotty shower or thunderstorm about anywhere, and where they pop up, damaging wind threat, lightning, and maybe some small hail. These will slowly start to quiet down, though, once we're past sunset, and the majority of the fireworks displays should be fine tomorrow night. We do have what's called an inversion in place tomorrow, meaning there's a warm layer of air about 2,000 feet up that's actually warmer than the air at the surface. And when that happens, what you get with lightning, thunder, and also fireworks, the sound from that can reverberate underneath that warm layer of air, makes it sound louder, but it also traps the smoke, which means air quality may suffer around some of those bigger fireworks displays by this time tomorrow night as we're later into the evening hours, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, what we're looking at for Sunday, another mild start, low 70s. As we start the new work week, though, you're heading back to work. Scattered storm chances will go up a bit for Monday, and that will help increase at least random better chances of those afternoon storms, but it brings temperatures back closer to average for this time of year, though.
We will welcome those